This is the first part of my video with the SAQ using stabilization. We're going to do a 2-foot hop with the stabilization through the speed ladders. So what I'm going to do is make sure my hips and my core is nice and tight. As I go through, my arm's going to lead my legs. So the cue is for the athletes is as they go through each rung is to make sure that they're nice and stable, okay, and they're staying in an athletic position. The second part of my video with the SAQ would be strength. So this is here we can set up with our cones is 5-10-5. And in our 5-10-5, we want to make sure that we're transitioning into the frontal plane by having a strong braking force with our ankle as we change directions. So I'm going to start in the middle, I'm going to go to the right, all the way to the left, and then stop in the middle. Again, we got to cue our athletes to engage our core. Again, the arms will lead the leg. And it's very important when we change directions that we bend our knees and we're absorbing and we're switching directions. So again, when we're switching directions, we're planting hard with that braking force, changing directions in the frontal plane, and we're running through to the next side. So the last one of our SIQ is power. So this is a modified box that we set up here. We start in the middle. We can number it off by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example. We can also use animals like fish, dog, cat, just to try to mix it up. We also can use different colored cones as well. All we want to do is get our athletes, our clients mentally ready to switch directions, okay, and react. So for example, if I start here and I say 2, I would shuffle and run backwards, touch this one, and come back to the middle. I could say 2 numbers, I could say 2 to 3, so I can go here, 1, 2, top to 3. Or I can do a quick transition, I can go 1 for the 5. Again, just like we talked about in our strength, the braking force is very important when we're switching directions in the frontal plane, moving from side to side. Again, making sure our athlete's core is nice and tight and our arms lead the legs.